All right. This is what I wanted to show y'all. Whose ride's this guy? Yours? What kind of motor does it have?
5.7.
It's a 5.7, really? Like, is it a restomod?
Yeah.
Really? Can I see it? You mind?
What's that?
Could I see the motor?
No, you can't.
I can't see the motor.
I can't take the seat
I'm just
out.
kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh, is it like, so why the 5.7?
That's what they built it with. I bought it like this.
Oh, you bought it like that?
The whole vehicle is restomod.
Really? The whole vehicle?
Oh, yeah.
Like, what's original to it at all?
Probably the trim,
Yeah.
the front end,
Yeah.
the 9-foot box.
Yeah. Oh, 9-foot. Better than the 5-foot they give it on nowadays.
No, the 9-foot box is original. It has been, the box has been narrowed and
Yeah.
the fenders have been widened.
That's crazy.
And the cab was used between two. They used two trucks because they widened it
Yeah.
and they chopped it.
Really? That's crazy. Do you drive this on the road, or is it
Yes, sir.
strict?
Drive it.
Yeah, seriously? Wow. Where'd you
Drive
find
it
this
like you
thing?
mean it.
How much did you pay for it?
I can't say.
You can't say. Where'd you get it?
Cambridge.
Cambridge, in Ontario.
Yeah.
Ontario. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Gentleman passed away, and then the family didn't want nothing to do with it.
Oh, okay. Seems like a common story. How wide are those rear tires?
16-inch, 24-inch rim.
16-inch. So you got enough traction, eh? Not bad.
I haven't driven it in wet weather. So.
In wet weather, yeah. You just
Yeah.
straight summer, dry weather kind of thing.
Yep.
Fair enough. We're gonna leave at 7. Any future mods to this thing, or are you just gonna keep it the way it is?
This is done.
It's done. You're done with it.
It's done.
That's not a bad
Well, I
deal.
didn't do it. It's done. It doesn't need anything else.
Yeah, that's not a bad deal.
See,
Right?
Raj.
You just buy it and don't do anything else.
Yeah. I have a 72 Chevelle, so I didn't want to do any work. on this.
Yeah.
This
And
is
you
done.
have any other Dodges? Do you like Mopar? Or just
I have a Dodge Ram.
You have a Dodge Ram? That's what.
That's my daily.
Yeah. And your
Yeah.
daily this thing.
And then I have my son's G35 Infinity.
Oh, very nice. Okay. What kind of do you know what kind of paint is on there? Like
No, I do not. I'm
Yeah.
close to finding out.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, someone contacted me yesterday because he spotted the truck on Facebook.
Yeah.
And he called me last night. He's going to contact the guy that painted it.
Oh, really?
So he's going to give me the paint codes and what he did with
And
it.
what he did with it. That's phenomenal. Awesome. You can
Yeah.
be here for the whole weekend?
Yeah. Actually, the guy, he sent me pictures last night. So he sent me pictures of the build last night.
That's when it was painted.
After it was painted, yeah.
Wow. That's cool.
So I got lucky and I got.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
That's an awesome
So
story.
he said he's going to contact him and see what other pictures he's got.
Yeah.
Because the guy I bought it through,
Yeah.
he was the middle guy. He wasn't the guy
Yeah.
that he didn't offer too much information.
Just like you aren't.
Because I
No,
don't
yeah.
know much about it.
Yeah, that's true. No,
I'm not
I mean about price. That's what I'm.
Oh, no. What would I sell it for? 150.
150?
Yeah.
Oh, we're live right now, so 150. 150 right now. So
Right now.
If I came with you with a bag of
150,000.
would I
Not
drive away with
150
it?
bucks. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm in.
Go get the cash.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Take care. All right, so this thing has got 2007 Chrysler 300 5.7. I mean, huh. Interesting build. 150 bands.
My man.